In this tutorial, we want to show users how to add a new post. John's student, our hypothetical student user, has a lot of strengths. But it's been about 8 months since he's added perfect pitch as a strength. So we're going to go to a new post. And one of the things that John is good at is working with his hands. So we're going to give it a title, Working with My Hands. And again, what's great is you can search for an image. It could be something you pull up from the desktop or search on Google. And in this instance, we know he likes to build models with hands. And we get a nice little picture. And then we can also add an image down below, single image. Again, one of the great features is to do a Google search, model building. And here we have someone working with their hands, building a model.